Before this video starts, make sure to check my review for NPM Ratchet because this is going to show him how to transform from robot to vehicle. And in the video, it shows him from vehicle to robot. So check that out first, but if you have, then enjoy this video transforming Ratchet from robot to vehicle. Flip these tires. Actually, first let's put the back. Make sure you fold this piece down and make sure you fold this piece on the back down so that way it doesn't stay flat. Yes, I know the pieces are untabbing. I'll tab it in. Then again, this is one of the complaints I have with the figures. This figure right here, it's loose. And as always, the windshield fell. Tab the tires in right here where the head is. Flip it, but be careful so that it doesn't tab out. Flip the other door. Just flip the hand up like this. Ah, the doors. This might be the only annoying part when transforming him from robot to vehicle. Like that. The side panels out. Then you're gonna wanna lift this up and so that you could and tab this out. Where the chest is, you're gonna want to tab it out. It does require some work. There you go. It requires some strength, not a lot, but some. You're gonna want to flip this whole section around. There you go. So I'm just tabbing the windshield back in. Sorry, my camera keeps on tabbing in. So keep it like this for now. Now you're gonna wanna flip the legs that I was facing like this. Tab this out. Just keep this tabbed out. Fold the feet down. Oh wait, don't forget to flip this green part of the foot back. Other side too. Like that. And you're gonna wanna open this panel. And you're gonna wanna flip this panel out. Like that. Same for the other side. Like that. For the bottom, flip this over. I don't know what this piece is called, but just do what I'm doing. Then don't forget to flip the leg over. And you're gonna wanna do this. Just do the other side too, so that was able to tab in well. Make sure these side panels are right here. Like I said, it is gonna be annoying, these pieces right here. Now you're gonna wanna put these tires in position. Like that, and then you're gonna tab in. Make sure the mouth is closed. Make sure these pieces are facing like that. Now folding the arm in, you're gonna wanna make sure it's like that before you tab it down like that. Actually tab the back first. Tab the top too. Make the tire flat. Tab this piece right here. Other side too. For the sake of this video, looks like it untabbed, correct. Looks like it untabbed. Like that. The piece also tabbed on too. Therefore, we're just gonna need to unfold this like that. Tab it in so that way it's able to basically tab in all the way down. Like that. Make sure the arm is balanced. And then make sure this tab oh wait. No, I did it wrong. It's supposed to go like this is the tricky part. Not the annoying part, the tricky part. You're gonna wanna do it like this. Yeah, you're gonna wanna flip it. And then now you're gonna wanna fold it down. I'm sorry, I know I made a mistake. Then again, people make mistakes. I know the other door tabbed out. Now you're able to tab it in. Oh, the windshield right here. I know this is rather annoying that the windshield keeps on untabbing in. Trying to apply not that much pressure on it so that way don't break the figure itself. Sorry, background noise. Come on. Let me untab the doors. There you go. Sorry for the super long wasted that the windshield isn't tabbed in. You didn't make it that tight enough. Then after the whole process, make sure you apply pressure on it so that it stays tabbed in well. Now you're able to tab in the front. Lift this piece up a little. Let's go to the other side. And for the bottom, make sure it's tabbed in good. And there you go. Now for the weapons. Up here. Like that. And for these weapons, they tab in on the tire. There you go. Here's NPM Ratchet. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and to my second channel, The Action Funko Pops. Link will be in the description and in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time with Transforming Ironhide. Bye.